My sweet summer's gone. She left me here with sand in my bed. She played me all night long, but I do it all over again. Whoa. My sweet summer's gone, and on my mirror she made it clear her lipstick can't be wrong. My summer.
Good morning, LHS! These are today's announcements for September 9, 2014. ASB leaders would like to hear your opinion. All 4 grades will be voting on the 2014 homecoming theme. It will be during Block A on Wednesday through Lugo Drive. Please stay tuned and follow the instructions that your advisors give you. Thank you!
Attention all Key Club members. There will be a general meeting on Friday in room C2. Grab your lunch quickly and come because there will be a lot to discuss.
There will be a girls tennis game. JV and varsity starts at 4 in Orange Cove against Orange Cove. We ask that teachers release the girls at 2 p.m. There will be a volleyball game today at Mount Whitney against Mount Whitney. Girls volleyball. Teachers, we ask that you please release the girls at 2:45. Matches start at 4:30. Attention all girls. If you're interested in playing soccer this year, there will be a meeting right after school on Wednesday in the gym with Coach Freddie.
PSAT will be Wednesday, October 15th. Please sign up with Mrs. Dueñas in the health office with your payment of $14. Juniors are strongly encouraged to apply, for you can qualify for a scholarship. Freshmen and sophomores are encouraged to apply as well.
All seniors, on October 9th, Porterville College will be here for an orientation. If you're interested in attending Porterville College, please sign up prior to the event. Sign up with Ms. Urrutia by September 19th. There will be a meeting to discuss items needed to apply online and for the orientation. Attention class of 2016, we will be having your first meeting September 10th in room C6 at 1:20 p.m. We will be discussing class t-shirts, fundraising, and prom. Grab your lunch and come join us for cookies and planning. Our club is having our first meeting in room B5 on Wednesday, September 10th at 1:15 p.m. It's not too late to join our adventure club. We're having our meeting to vote on our school trip and plan our fundraising for this year. Come join us in room A5 on Wednesday, September 10th at 1:30 p.m.
Attention all seniors. You've already started your senior project. Now it's time to consider whether you want to do early completion or the level 4 social change project. Please talk to your learning facilitator for more information and sign up by Friday, September 14th. After Friday, there is no going back, so please make wise choices.
Sophomore class will be having a meeting in room A1 on Wednesday, September 3rd. The meeting will start promptly at 1:25 p.m., so make sure you eat your lunch before you come. See you there. TRIO, the Upward Bound Math and Science program, is currently accepting applications. Students interested in the math and science fields are encouraged to apply for their once-a-week after-school tutoring sessions. Learners will also have the opportunity to attend monthly sessions at COS that focus on math, science, career, and personal development. All services are free of cost. Please come by the Counseling Center to receive your eligibility requirements and applications. Freshmen are strongly encouraged to apply. All applications are due by September 30th.
You can have easy access to our Lindsay High ASB YouTube channel by going on YouTube and searching Lindsay High ASB. We post our daily announcements every day, so please subscribe to stay involved and to stay active. Go Cardinals!
Senior portraits and baby pictures are due between September 30th and October 10th, 2014. Late portraits risk not being published if submitted past the due date. Students must visit the district handbook to abide by the school and district dress code. Students must make sure to take appropriate photos or risk not having their pictures in the yearbook. Pictures can be submitted to Miss Martinez in room C3.
Attention all learners, please stop by the wrestling room next to the LHS gym to purchase your class t-shirts. This is a great way to show your class and school pride by wearing them on campus and to all school events. Class t-shirts are only $5.
College night will be held in the Visalia Convention Center from 6 p.m. through 8 p.m. Representatives from over 90 colleges, universities, and special schools will be there to show you their special programs and education. You and your parents are invited to attend. If you do attend, please stop by the LHS table to enter a special drawing. For juniors and seniors, buses are available. If you're interested, please sign up in the office ASAP. Hope to see you there.
Hello everybody! Today is Spicy Chicken Tuesday and you'll also be getting tater tots, vegetables, some salad, fresh and canned fruit.
Have a great day, LHS!